Cardio Flush is marketed as a dietary supplement that claims to support heart health, improve circulation, and promote healthy blood flow. The marketing can make it sound like an easy way to protect your cardiovascular system, but the real question is, does it actually care for your heart? Now, to be fair, some ingredients commonly found in heart health supplements, such as beetroot, CoQ10, or L-arginine, have been studied for their potential cardiovascular benefits. However, supplements are not a substitute for proven medical care. What it does well: convenient to take. A daily capsule is easy to add to your routine, may provide nutritional support. Depending on its ingredients, it may contain compounds associated with normal cardiovascular function. Where the hype falls apart, it's not a treatment for heart disease. No over-the-counter supplement can prevent, treat, or cure cardiovascular disease on its own. Evidence varies by ingredient. Even if certain ingredients have been studied, that doesn't mean the finished product has been clinically proven to deliver the advertised results. Results aren't guaranteed. Any benefits are likely to vary depending on your overall health, diet, and lifestyle. So, should you buy Cardio Flush? Short answer: probably not if you're expecting it to significantly improve your heart health by itself. If you're looking for a supplement to complement a healthy diet, regular exercise, and medical advice, it may be worth discussing with your healthcare provider. But don't expect it to replace proven heart-healthy habits or prescribed medications. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.